Welcome guys to our new video, and as you see from a thumbnail, today we are going to discuss upon the scalping technique. I'm not a big fan of the scalping methods, but I think this strategy is going to work for you if you have the patience and the emotion control in your emotion. I have backtested this strategy for one day only, and I think it's quite a good strategy. If you have control in your emotion, you can earn good money by this technique, by this indicator. VWAP indicator is quite interesting indicator to which I got to found about, and this video is going to the raw video because I think it's quite long, so that's why I'm not going to edit the video. So without wasting a time, let's start the video. And before moving on to the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and let's see how you to put the indicator here. So this is the basic CPR and pure indicator. So you have to go on the indicator section and type here VWAP. Okay, so when you type this, okay, here's the first indicator come, which is volume weighted average price. There is a lot of indicator here with the name of VWAP, but you have to select the first one, which is volume weighted average price. And when you are going to select the indicator, you will see the three lines on your chart, but we don't need that much of kachra here. So let's edit the indicator. So click here, click on settings of the indicator, and please remove all this remaining field. Okay, I'm going to remove it. Remove all the remaining field. Expect this VWAP. Okay, you have to go on the style section and please unclick all checkboxes. Just keep one checkbox is there, which is VWAP, and make the color in black. Okay, and don't change anything. Expect this, just keep this VWAP checkbox on, and please unclick all rest of the checkboxes and please save it. Okay, so now you find the black line over your chart, and we have to keep the candle turn into the 1 minute frame. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart, and I don't think that we need this CPR and pivot also, so I will hide this CPR pivot. Okay, the CPR pivot is not going to work here. Okay, I will hide it. Okay, so let's see how you're going to take trade here. So this is the today's chart. I start from here. So the strategy is very simple, I will tell you. Okay, what we have to do, expect the first initial 2-3 candles. We know our rule that don't go long or short on the first or 2 candle itself. Avoid the first 2 candle or first 2-3 candles. So whenever the green candle crosses this VWAP line, break this VWAP lines, you have to go long. I haven't backtested this strategy for short selling. I only backtested this strategy for when you have to go long. Like I will tell you how. So here market has been started with the big red candle. So okay, see here, whenever the candle crosses this this is the VWAP line. Okay, and this green candle crosses this VWAP line. This it acts as a resistance actually, and whenever they crosses this kind of a resistance here, you have to go long and put your stop loss on the bottom of this candle here, and put your target on 1:2 on 20 point 10 points, whatever you want to. And I will show you how this strategy is going to work, and I will show you the 10 charts. So this is the today's chart. Okay, don't go long. You will see this candle also break this VWAP line, but the market is a kind of a lot of volatility is there whenever within a first 15 minutes. So that's why I try to avoid this first 15 minutes. So look at this, the market goes down, and again when it comes and break this VWAP line. Okay, I will remove it first. Okay, wait. Okay, the market breaks this VWAP line, and look. Okay, you will got your 1:2 profit, and this is the scalping trade. You make your profit within a 1 or 2 minute only. This is the 1 minute candle frame. Okay, let's see the yesterday's chart now. Let's see. Whenever any one of the first candle crosses the VWAP line, you have to go long. Okay, so here, as I told you, avoid the first 2 candle, and even if you go long on the first candle, you also made the profit. But let's see. Okay, this candle also crosses the VWAP resistance, and see see the market is going upside. So these are the two trades which you are, if you using this strategy, you are be in the profit, you know. Yeah, and this is the scalping technique. This is the 1 minute candles. So if you don't have like patience and you bring a lot of emotion here, you will lose the money. So that's why have patience, put your stop loss on the bottom of the candle, and put your target as 1:2 or 1:3, whatever you want to. If you took trade on this candle, we will look the flow on market on upside. You will see a good amount of profit here. Okay, so let's see the day before yesterday's chart. Okay, sometime you will get the stop loss also, but overall you have to be in a profit. Okay, see here, whenever the candle okay, you see this candle is not crosses properly the VWAP resistance. Okay, so don't go long here. So look, this candle crosses the VWAP indicator. The indicator acts as a resistance or support, you if you know, this is the basics. And whenever the line is crosses, the line means the candle has crosses the VWAP resistance, and look is this flow. So these are the third day we are in a profit if you are using this indicator only. Okay, so let's see another chart, day before chart. Okay, see here, actually its chart is quite long when you're going to use 1 minute candle frame. So here the market opens with the red candle, and then there is a green candle, but don't go long on the first 2 or 3 initial candles. Whenever any one of the first candle of the day crosses the this VWAP indicator, you have to go long. So here what happened, market has crosses the VWAP indicator, but look at this candle. You really think that you will go long on this candle, so that's why please try to avoid this. Yeah, you sometimes you have to use your presence of mind also, you know. You really think this this is the like they have the pin bar on upside, you know, there is a really means there is a selling pressure is there. So don't go long on such candles. And look at this candle, you have to go long on this candle, and look at the profit. Yes, so this is more than 1:2, and this is the fourth consecutive day that we are in a profit here. So remember this thing in your mind, and let's see one more day. So okay, sometimes you'll book the losses also, you know, but this is the fourth day and we are in a profit. So this is the fifth day. So what happened, see which candle has passes the, okay, this is the candle. Okay, this is the candle which passes the VWAP indicators, crossing this indicator. And if you take trade here, you will put your stop loss on this candle. Okay, the candle's low, and see here you got your stop loss. Actually you can book your profit here also, you know. As a scalper, I think you have to book your profit on this candle also, you know. If you consider this trade is also going to be become a profitable way, because your stop loss is this much only, you know. How many points is this? 86 from 90. Okay, it's 4 point stop loss. Okay, yes, 4 point only. So you will keep your target on 8 points, or here on 98. It's complete 8 points only. So you can book your profit on this candle, and this is also going to turns into the profit. And this is continuously, this is the fifth trade which is goes into your favor if you are using this indicator. So let's move on this one more day. Let's see. Okay, okay, so here so in this candle, okay, this candle crosses the VWAP indicator. Okay, this candle crosses the VWAP indicator and goes till the day's high, and then it returns. Okay, so here I think that you will get your stop loss on this candle. If you put your stop loss on the bottom of this candle which you have taken the trade, then you may get your stop loss, may get here. And if you book the profit here as a scalper, I think you should book your profit on here only. I am not saying that put your target as a 1:2 only. So sometimes you have to book the profit according to yours, and even this even it hit your stop loss. Like you will see there is a consecutive 6 wins, and this is the only loss you get. So you consider this as a loss, you know, consider this, you will get stop loss on this trade. Let's see one more trade. This is the 7th one, no? Okay, this is the 8th trade. Okay, see here, whenever the candle crosses this VWAP, whatever it is, VWAP indicator. Look at this flow, one side flow. Market is flowing on one side only. I don't know how it's going to work, but you can easily earn like 1,000 to 2,000 rupees on one lot only. This is in a Nifty also. I don't test it in on Bank Nifty. I think it also worked there only. This is the 8th trade and we got 7th win and 1 loss only. Yeah, so let's see the 9th one. I'll share the 10 charts. Okay, so on 9th one you'll see. So as I told you, don't go long or short on the first 2 candle itself. Okay, long or short, there is no chance to short because this strategy is not for the short selling, it's also to go long only. So here you have to take trade on this candle. So this candle crosses the VWAP indicator and look at the one side flow. Look at this. I don't think how it's going to work. I think in a bullish market it's work perfectly, you know. This is the 9th one. Yeah, 9th one only, and this is the last trade, 10th trade. I will show. I think this is also going to turn into the profitable. So let's see. No, this is the here you can hit, you had been hitted your stop loss. Okay, please avoid the first 2 candle, and this candle passes this VWAP indicator. So the VWAP indicator has crosses, but you get your stop loss. The market hasn't go on upside, you got your stop loss here, so book your stop loss here. Okay, so we have saw the 10 chart. In this 10th chart there's 8 are consecutive wins and you have got the 2 losses. Okay, and this is not like this is, you have to use this strategy on 1 minute candle frame only. Don't use 5 minute candle frame. You know, this is the strategies for the scalpers only, you know, the peoples who want the profit within a second. You know, the peoples want the profit within a second, they want to earn more within a second, they have to within a second. So this is this strategy is for them only. And the OG peoples will do our price action and CPR pure strategy. I know, and I'm personally if you ask me, I'm not a big fan of this scalping technique, because here we can't able to use your brain. You know, we are just simply totally depending upon the indicator. Whenever the indicator is giving the signal go long, we are going long, and this is the scalping technique. So I am not a big fan of this technique. I haven't used this. I back tested it on Zerodha, so but I haven't used this. But you can use this if you are a scalper, and you can earn good money, but you have to become patient. You have to control on your emotion. That's when you can able to earn, because in scalping technique the market has become a lot of volatile. Your profit become the 0, and when it becomes the double also. So don't become so much greedy when you have to book your targets. So this is it, and I think I have explained very well. I don't know if I haven't, please let me know in the comment section if you have any query about this strategy. And without wasting a time, again I'm saying that I will same dialogue. Without wasting a time, let's end the video, and we'll meet on next video. Till that, peace out.